In a world driven by power, one man lit the fuse. You've never heard his name, but you've lived every day in the world he helped build. He tamed invisible forces, bent steam to his will, and dreamed of machines centuries ahead of his time. And yet, he died unknown, unpaid, unwanted. They buried him quietly. No crowd, no statue. Just a mind that had once changed the course of civilization, now dust in a forgotten grave. Born into a world of superstition and swords, he saw something else. Engines, systems, pressure, potential. He wasn't just an inventor, he was a force of nature trapped in a fragile body. A thinker so ahead of his time, his ideas wouldn't truly bloom until centuries later. He didn't just observe the world, he tried to harness it. He asked a question no one else dared to ask. What if water could lift mountains? His first breakthrough? A device to cook bones into broth using pressurized steam, centuries before Instant Pots were a thing. The steam digester, they called it. But it was more than a kitchen tool. It was a symbol. It meant control over steam, one of nature's most volatile forces. And it wasn't always safe. One wrong seal and the thing exploded like a cannon. That's when he invented something modern engineering owes everything to: the safety valve. A tiny, humble release, yet it prevented millions of future disasters. Without it, steam engines, pressure cookers, and nuclear reactors would be death traps. Then came his biggest leap. A boat that moved with no sails, no oars, no wind, just steam. Using pistons, cylinders, and pressure, he made a paddle wheel turn. He'd built the first steam-powered boat, decades before anyone else would succeed. He believed this could change the world: transportation, industry, war. So he sailed it toward the heart of innovation, hoping to show the world. But fate had other plans. As he arrived, authorities, afraid or ignorant, destroyed it. They burned the boat. Years of work, gone in smoke. He wrote to great minds of the time. Some replied, most didn't. No support, no funding, no applause. Just silence. Royal societies dismissed him. He was too strange, too far ahead. And slowly the light dimmed. His inventions would become the bones of the Industrial Revolution. Piston motion, safety valves, pressure mechanics. And yet someone else took the glory. Watt, Newcomen, heroic names taught in schools. But not his. He died alone, in poverty. But here's the twist. The modern world would be impossible without him. His name was Denis Papin. He cracked open the door to the steam age. But the world wasn't ready. Not for his ideas, not for him. Today, you ride in trains born from his pistons. You cook meals using his pressure theory. Your electricity may flow from turbines that rely on the same principles. And still, history books rarely whisper his name. But maybe that's why stories like this matter. Because genius isn't always remembered. And sometimes the future rides on forgotten shoulders. If you believe forgotten inventors deserve their place in the spotlight, hit subscribe and let's keep their legacy alive. Next time you ride a train or cook with steam, remember the man who made it possible and never got to see the world he built.